The unthinkable is now being predicted. Actual voting data suggests that Rahul Gandhi is moving in on Narendra Modi. According to the Lokniti, CSDS, ABP Mood of the Nation survey, the Modi government is currently about as unpopular as the UPA was in July 2013. This survey's data is also backed by real by-election data, which suggests that Narendra Modi is now only marginally ahead of Rahul Gandhi in voter support. Looks like the Prime Minister has to reinvent both himself and his pitch if he wants to remain in office. To read the full take by our editor Raghav Bell, log in to our website, The Quint. Thanks, but no thanks. This is what newly elected Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy told Narendra Modi when the Prime Minister threw a fitness challenge at him. Earlier in the day, Modi had posted a video of his morning exercises and asked the Chief Minister to follow suit. Take a look. Kumaraswamy instead said that he would rather focus on Karnataka's developmental fitness. Fair enough. The son of Lance Nayak Bachan Singh, a Kargil martyr, was inducted into the Indian Army. Lieutenant Hitesh Kumar said that it was his father's sacrifice and his mother's struggle to raise him is what inspired him.
प्रेरणा मेरे पिता का बलिदान रहा है 1999 13 जून बैटल ऑफ तोरलिंग जो भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच जो युद्ध हुआ था उसमें मेरे पिता शहीद हुए थे। लांस नायक के पद पे थे उस समय। वो मेरी प्रेरणा बनी, उनका बलिदान है। उसके बाद वहाँ का संघर्ष जो रहा है हमें मिलिट्री स्कूल में भेजा।
While the rich military legacy continued on one hand, in tragic news, 4 BSF personnel, including 1 officer, were killed and 3 others injured in an unprovoked firing attack by Pakistan Rangers along the international border in the Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir today. A right to information query has revealed that the Narendra Modi government took suggestions from various political parties on the introduction of electoral bond schemes. In response, the Congress, CPI and others have written to the Ministry of Finance arguing that the names of both the donors and the recipients should be made public in order to ensure transparency. Read the full exclusive on our website, The Quint. Tomorrow is a huge day for international sports. Why? Because the 21st installment of the FIFA World Cup, which is being held in Russia, is about to begin. The first match between Saudi Arabia and Russia has fans counting down to the T till 8:30 p.m., which is when the match is scheduled to begin. In exciting news for cricket fans, Afghanistan is going to play its first ever Test cricket match against India and is hoping to become the first team since Australia to win its inaugural Test match. This is also because they are extremely high on confidence after their recent victory against Bangladesh in the recent T20 series. But the question here is, are they strong enough to beat the powerful Indian cricket team? Wait, before you go, Rahul Gandhi is back in Delhi after his 2-day Maharashtra trip to celebrate the Congress's much anticipated Iftar party. Who's gonna be there? What's on the menu? The Quint's Neeraj Gupta is going to bring you all the details. To stay updated with the latest news from across the world and India, log in and subscribe to our website, The Quint.